Hi everyone, welcome back to the morning report chart appraisals with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets on Tuesday the 5th of August. Going to move on to cable now, and cable had this big rally yesterday. But to be honest, after such a considerable and sustained sell-off, having a single day's rally is not necessarily to be unexpected. And the fact is that, do you want to get sucked in by thinking that that is the beginning of a technical rally? Well, I think that you certainly need to be waiting for more confirmation, and I wrote that in the morning report, and it seems to be that as we have moved into this European session and it's really got going, the sellers are just looking like they're returning once again on cable. The move below that 89-day moving average on a longer term basis has been quite profound for me. That suggests that the outlook is now deteriorating on a medium to longer term basis on cable. Bulls, I suppose, would point towards this crossover buy signal that you've had here on the RSI. However, you'd certainly wouldn't necessarily. I mean, the strength of this sell-off that we've had, that is just probably the first real positive signal you've had on cable for 3 weeks, and I don't think you'd probably be wanting to trade on the back of just a single signal. You've got these MACD lines that are continuing to fall away. Stochastics are showing no real signs of life either. And if you look on the intraday chart, you'll see that you've just really, I mean, you haven't even unwound to that 68.90 level, and that 68.90 level is the first real resistance on this sell-off. So that would certainly need to be broken if you were going to talk about any sort of recovery in place on cable, and as I said, that's not even been seen yet. I mean, you could even argue that this 89-hour moving average, which to be honest has flanked the sell-off, been used as resistance on several times through the sell-off, has again just probably been doing a job. So I think that you certainly wouldn't want to be getting too worked up about going long on cable. I mean, look at this stochastics on the hourly chart. That's just turned over and given us, sorry, MACD lines on the hourly chart turned over and given a crossover sell signal. Even the stochastics as well have given a sell signal. So it just looks like this rally is rolling over. There's no real attempt at a move higher. I mean, you have got in half an hour's time the or at 9:30 you have got the services PMI data for the UK, which could certainly have an impact on cable. But at the moment, it certainly looks like the bears are regaining a bit of momentum to the downside. So it looks like cable is under pressure, certainly at the moment. Anyway, moving into that services PMI data. Also, you've got the ISM non-manufacturing data this afternoon at 3 o'clock, and again, that could have an impact on cable. Certainly, a strong number would drag cable lower. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.